Grow your glutes without surgeries or exercises. With this great discovery, our body is perfectly made and is one of the best machines that we can know. Each of its parts are connected as a system that works together. That is why when something hurts, the whole body reflects that suffering. Similarly, when we exercise, our whole body benefits. One of the reasons many people spend hours and hours in the gym is to improve their figure. And no one denies that when we perform physical activities, our body appreciates it. In addition, our figure is changing little by little, as we mold it to our liking. If we already have a time in the gym, it is not uncommon for us to be complimented by our figure. The only solution we have is to try to get it somehow. If you are one of those who like the gym, there are a number of exercises you can do. These will help you gradually increase the size of your glutes. If that is not your case, you can resort to expensive and very dangerous surgeries to increase your butt. But if you do not like any of the options mentioned above, there is still another thing you can do. A third option to increase the size of your glutes is through natural remedies. You can make a homemade cream that helps you grow your glutes gradually and naturally. If you are interested in using this method, here's how to do it. Ingredients: banana 1 unit, yogurt 1 cup. Preparation and use: 1. The first step is to peel the banana and to damage it very well until obtaining a kind of puree. Now, we must add the yogurt to the container where we crush the banana and mix them very well. At the end, we will get a kind of cream full of nutrients and minerals that will penetrate the skin. 2. We must apply this substance to our buttocks and let it act for 15 minutes. Finally, we rinse with plenty of water. This process should be repeated at least 3 times a week.